Vande Mataram students. Today I am going to teach you first part of your first chapter, India Physiographic Division book, is India location. But before that, we have to know about the longitudinal and latitudinal lines, because it is very important for locating any place on the globe. So first of all, we have to know about longitude and latitude. So firstly, you have to know about that these are the imaginary lines. These are the imaginary lines. Actually, इन लाइंस की कल्पना की गई है क्योंकि किसी भी जगह को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए लाइन की जरूरत है. सपोज दिस इज ग्लोब, suppose this is globe, or you may say this is earth. So firstly we imagine latitudinal line. The line which is horizontal or which draw from east to west direction is known as latitudinal line. सीधे सीधे अगर हम सिंपल भाषा में कहें, सामान्य बोलचाल की भाषा में कहें, तो जो लेटी हुई लाइनें हैं वो लैटिट्यूडनल लाइन है, और जो लॉन्ग है, लंबी है, वो लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन है. लैटिट्यूडनल लाइन को अक्षांश रेखाएं कहते हैं और लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन को देशांतर रेखाएं. लेकिन एक दिक्कत है कि कहीं जो लैटिट्यूडनल लाइन है उसको हम स्टार्ट कहाँ से करें, उसकी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट कौन सी हो. तो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट के लिए सबसे पहले ये अज्यूम किया गया कि पृथ्वी पे जो सबसे बड़ी लाइन ड्रॉ की जा सकती है उसको मान लिया गया जीरो, उसको मान लिया गया स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. तो पृथ्वी पे जो सबसे बड़ा सर्कल ड्रॉ किया जा सकता है वो है 0 डिग्री. एक्चुअली दैट इज इक्वेटर. दैट इज इक्वेटर. वो इक्वेटर है जो कि पृथ्वी पे हम सबसे बड़ा सर्कल ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. अब एक चीज और आपको दिमाग में रखना होगा, when the direction is not given on any map, अगर किसी मैप में डायरेक्शन नहीं दिया हुआ है, then you have to assume north towards upper direction. अगर किसी मैप में डायरेक्शन नहीं दिया है तो आप नॉर्थ हमेशा ऊपर की तरफ एज्यूम करेंगे, ऊपर की तरफ मान लेंगे. ये कुछ उसी तरीके से है जिस तरह से मैथ में अगर किसी नंबर के आगे, मान लीजिए ये 25 है, इस नंबर के आगे कोई साइन नहीं है तो आप उसको पॉजिटिव नंबर ही एज्यूम करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? हाँ, अगर नेगेटिव नंबर होगा तो निश्चित रूप से उसके आगे कोई साइन होगा. सिमिलरली अगर किसी मैप में कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं दिया हुआ है तो आप नॉर्थ हमेशा ऊपर की तरफ एज्यूम करेंगे. ऊपर नॉर्थ, एंड साउथ इज टुवर्ड्स डाउनवर्ड, एंड ईस्ट इज टुवर्ड्स राइट हैंड साइड, एंड वेस्ट इज टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. जैसे मैंने कहा कि अगर हमको कहीं जाना होता है तो हमें, मैं आपसे पूछूं कि व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिल्ली, then you have to say, you ask me the question about from where the distance of Delhi. आप भी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट जानना चाहते हो, मतलब जीरो जानना चाहते हो कि जीरो कहाँ पे है, कहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करें. तो डायरेक्शन में भी नॉर्थ को जीरो डायरेक्शन कहते हैं या बेस डायरेक्शन करते हैं, क्योंकि सारे डायरेक्शन की काउंटिंग यहीं से हम शुरू करते हैं. होप इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. ना तो ये जीरो हमें मिल गया, 0 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड. उसके बाद 1 2 इस तरह से हम करते करते कहाँ तक पहुंचते हैं, 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ, 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ, 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड, दैट इज नॉर्थ पोल. सिमिलरली 1 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री, 25 डिग्री, 24 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, and lastly 90 डिग्री साउथ. one thing which you have to remember in your mind, that equator divided Earth into two hemispheres. The upper one is northern hemisphere and the lower one is southern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere. Is it clear? So remember that you have to indicate the direction also. Suppose you move towards north direction. Here it is 23.5 degree latitude. 23.5 degree latitude. Then this direction is northern. So 23.5 degree north latitude, which is also known as Tropic of Cancer. It is also known as Tropic of Cancer. Similarly, there is Tropic of Capricorn, which is also 23.5 degrees south, which I indicate with red color. That is 23.5 degrees south, 23.5 degrees south. It is Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Capricorn. Hope it is clear to all of you. Tropic of Capricorn, Capricorn. Okay. So the total number of latitudinal line is, look here, 1 to 90 here towards northern side, that is 90, and 1 to 90 in the southern side, that is 90. Total 90 plus 90 is equal to 180, and 1 is 0 degree also, 0 degree latitudinal line. So total number of latitudinal line is 181. Remember it always. The total number of latitudinal line is 181. Now, why this is 23.5, why it is 60 degree, 90 degree? Because it make the angle from the equator. Look here, 0 degree. Let me erase some extra lines. Okay, suppose here is equator. Suppose here is equator. This line is equator, 0 degree. Okay, and this is 23.5 degree. So here is the angle of 23.5 degree. That's why this line is 23.5 degree. Similarly, 60 degree, the angle met by equator, that is 60 degree. So this here, the latitudinal line is 60 degree latitudinal line. Okay, it is very important. Okay, now come to the total number of latitudinal lines are 181. Now come to longitudinal line. One more thing which you have to remember, that latitudinal line is imagined throughout the globe. ये ग्लोब के चारों तरफ इनकी कल्पना की गई है, सिर्फ एक तरफ नहीं. लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन में ऐसा नहीं है बेटा, इसको जरा सा हम लोग समझ लें. सपोज दिस इज ग्लोब एंड सपोज दिस इज नॉर्थ पोल. लैटिट्यूडनल लाइन में तो 0 डिग्री फाइंड करना बहुत आसान था. क्यों? क्योंकि पृथ्वी पे जो सबसे बड़ा सर्किल ड्रॉ किया जा सकता है उसको हमने मान लिया 0 डिग्री. लेकिन लॉन्गिट्यूडनल में ऐसा नहीं था, क्योंकि कोई ऐसी लाइन हमें मिल नहीं रही थी. फिर प्रॉब्लम ये आई कि फिर हम स्टार्ट कहाँ से करें, 0 किसको माने. तो एट दैट वेरी टाइम द कॉलोनी ऑफ ब्रिटिश कॉलोनी इज इन मैक्सिमम प्लेसेस ऑन द अर्थ. कहते थे कि ब्रिटेन का सूरज कभी नहीं डूबता, तो ब्रिटेन ने कहा भाई 0 डिग्री मेरे देश से जाएगा. तो 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन passes through a village nearby London known as Greenwich. That's why 0 degree longitudinal line also known as Greenwich line. और जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन पृथ्वी के सिर्फ एक तरफ ड्रॉ की है, दोनों तरफ नहीं. लैटिट्यूडनल लाइन तो चारों तरफ है. बट लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन सिर्फ एक तरफ है. सपोज दिस इज 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड, इसके पीछे वाली जो लाइन है, द लाइन along with 0 degree longitude make a complete circle, that is 360 degree, is 180 degree longitude. ये 180 degree वाली लाइन है, 180 degree longitude, 180 degree, and this is 0 degree. So 0 degree along with 180 degree divide Earth into two hemispheres. The right hand side is eastern hemisphere, as I told you the direction, and the left hand side is western hemisphere. Hope it is clear. Now 0 डिग्री से अगर हम ईस्ट की तरफ जाते हैं, जो भी लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन हम देखते हैं तो उनको हम डायरेक्शन देंगे ईस्ट. सपोज दिस इज 10 डिग्री ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड, this is 20 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, okay, 100 degree, 150, 160 till 179. Suppose this is 179 degree longitude, 179 degree east longitude. You have to mention direction also. Why? Because all longitudinal lines have in pair. One is eastward and another is westward, except 0 degree and 180 degree. That's why we cannot give any direction to 0 degree and 180 degree longitude. Then similarly here, 10 degree west longitude, 20 degree west longitude, okay, 60 degree west longitude, 80 degree west longitude, 100 degree, 160 degree, 170 degree till 179 degree west longitude, 179 degree west longitude. Okay, 180 degree is common. It is only one line, and 0 is also common. Now the question is total number of longitudinal lines. So total number of longitudinal line from 1 to 179 east, yani 1 to 179 east, total number is 179. ठीक है? और 1 to 179 west, total number that is 179, and two lines, which is one is 180 degree and one is 0 degree. So this is two line. Now the total number of longitudinal line is 360. So remember it always. ये हमेशा ध्यान में रखिएगा कि जो लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन है उनकी कुल संख्या 360 है, और जो लैटिट्यूडनल लाइन है, जो अक्षांश रेखाएं हैं, उनकी टोटल संख्या 181 है. आइए अब आपको मैं दूसरी फिगर से दिखाता हूं और समझाने की कोशिश करता हूं. Look here, in this figure it is clearly mentioned. The green color indicates longitudinal line. This is North Pole, and the red color indicates latitudinal line. Let me show you. Look, suppose this is 0 degree. Suppose this is 0 degree latitude. This is, you just assume 20 degree, 60 degree, okay, 80 degree. Okay, but it is north because it is 0 degree, then it is 20 degree north. You have to mention direction also because there is two line. Here it is 90 degree, okay, and here is 20 degree south latitude, 40 degree south latitude, and 60 degrees south latitude, and here is 90 degrees south, that is South Pole. Latitudinal lines are also called parallels because it is parallel to each other. That's why latitudinal lines are also known as parallel. And longitudinal lines are also called meridian. Okay, keep it in your mind because it is very important. Latitudinal lines are also known as parallel, and longitudinal lines are also called meridians. So now the 0-degree longitude, which is also known as prime meridian. That's why 0-degree, suppose this is 0-degree longitude, it is also known as prime meridian. There is, this line is used to count time, international time, that is GMT. We are always listening about GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, because this prime meridian passes through Greenwich. That's why the time which occur on that very line is known as Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. And 180-degree line is known as date line or day line, which is used to count day. Okay. Now come to latitude again. There is a 7 prominent latitudinal line which you have to remember. That is very important. Firstly, the Tropic of Cancer. Here it is, Tropic of Cancer, 0-degree. Okay. Then the equator, 0-degree. Then Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree, 23.5 degree, half degree north. Then 66.5 degree, that is Arctic Circle. I mark it with red color. 66.5 degree, 66.5 degree north, 66.5 degree north, that is Arctic Circle. And lastly, 90-degree north, that is North Pole, North Pole. Now come to the southern hemisphere. Here it is, Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degrees south, 23.5 degrees south. Then Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degrees south, 66.5 degrees south, 66.5 degree south, that is Antarctic Circle. And lastly, 90 degrees south, that is South Pole. So these are the prominent, 7 prominent latitudinal line which you have to remember, because according to these line, our climatic zones are indicated. How it is? Look here. The 5 degree above and 5 degree below the equator, there is equatorial region. This region is known as equatorial region. Okay, this region is known as equatorial region, which I indicate with green color. This is equatorial region. This region is equatorial region, equatorial region. Now, the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. This is Tropic of Cancer and this is Tropic of Capricorn. This region is known as tropical region. I indicate it with yellow color. This region is known as tropical region. Tropical region. Okay. This region is known as tropical region. This is tropical region. Tropical region. Tropical region. Now, the region lies between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle. I indicate with blue color. The region lies from Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle is known as subtropical region. This region is subtropical region. And also the region lies from Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. This region is also known as subtropical region. Is it clear? This region is also known as subtropical region. So there is a two subtropical region. One is in northern hemisphere and another is in southern hemisphere. This is and this region. Both this region is known as subtropical region. Okay. Hope it is clear. Subtropical region. Now, the region lies from Arctic Circle to North Pole. This region is known as polar region. This region is known as polar region. This region is covered with ice. Generally, the maximum region of this is covered with ice. Okay, and the Antarctic Circle to South Pole. Both this region is known as polar region. Both this region is known as polar region. Polar region. Hope it is clear to all of you. That's why these 7 prominent latitudinal lines are very important. From north to south, it is North Pole, then Arctic Circle, then Tropic of Cancer, then Equator, then Tropic of Capricorn, then Antarctic Circle, and lastly, South Pole. Hope it is clear. And the region lies between 5 degrees above and 5 degrees south. Actually, this region is moving with the apparent movement of sun. सूरज के उत्तरायण या दक्षिणायन नॉर्थवर्ड जाने और साउथवर्ड जाने से ये रीजन भी बदलता रहता है. ठीक है. इक्विनॉक्स के समय ये एक्चुअल दिखाई देता है. इक्विनॉक्स वो समय होता है जब दोनों हेमिस्फीयर में दिन और रात बराबर होते हैं. इस पे हम बाद में चर्चा करेंगे. ठीक है. तो ये कंडीशन होती है. और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न के बीच में ट्रॉपिकल रीजन, देन ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर से आर्कटिक सर्कल के बीच में, और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न से अंटार्कटिक सर्कल के बीच ये होता है सब ट्रॉपिकल रीजन, और अंटार्कटिक सर्कल से साउथ पोल और आर्कटिक सर्कल से नॉर्थ पोल के बीच में ये है आपका पोलर रीजन. ठीक है. इट इज पोलर रीजन. होप इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. So this is all about longitude and latitudinal line. One thing which you have to remember, let me clear all these things. Firstly, the distance between longitudinal line is maximum on equator. Here it is maximum, and 0 on pole. जो लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन है उनके बीच की दूरी सबसे ज्यादा इक्वेटर पे होती है, क्योंकि पृथ्वी जियोइड शेप में है. तो ऊपर की तरफ सारी लाइनें आकर मिल जाती हैं, मर्ज हो जाती हैं, और नीचे की तरफ इक्वेटर के पास ये सबसे ज्यादा दूरी होती है. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन एट इक्वेटर इज 111 किलोमीटर. ओके, 111 किलोमीटर. Now we are able to know about the first chapter of your geography, that is India location, because these lines are very important as far as location of any place on the globe is concerned. And India and their location I will continue on the second part of my video. Thank you, Vita. Vande Mataram, all of you.